Hello. So I am responding to Catherine Ziglin's question, and she sort of summarized and then asked, "What is the value of the responsibility to protect doctrine? Because despite current events, we haven't really seen um, any action as a result of the document being put into place." And so she says, to what extent does the responsibility to protect doctrine actually help victims of human rights abuses around the world? And beginning with the article on East Asia's theories on intervention, we read, "The norm of humanitarian intervention is a long-standing one within the Western philosophical traditions, which would lead people to believe that Americans are highly invested in human rights globally, which we sort of are. But when it comes to intervention, it's to a lesser extent." And in the second article on whether to protect, there are admittedly problems with the doctrine. Number one being indeterminacy. Are we going to classify this as preventative um, to human rights issues, or is this a human rights violation that is occurring in real time? What if the Security Council is deadlocked, and how do we sidestep that? Are other countries going to respond to peer pressure? So none of these problems really get solved, although there is a lot of language in the doctrine itself which spells out what's supposed to happen when something is occurring. Really what the document does is it puts a lot of stipulations on the neighboring countries and how they're supposed to act and when they can act and what they can do. So in theory, the document's supposed to be helpful, but in reality, we haven't seen many fruits of the labor. Thank you.